Imagine waking up to a notification that you just made $100 while you were still in your pajamas, like your hair is messy with zero makeup on. Now imagine doing that every single day, but without having to post a selfie, dance on TikTok, or show your face to a stranger. You know, for a lot of us, especially my fellow introverts or my bosses in Nigeria, who just want to make money without the village people or nosy neighbors monitoring your every move. The influencer life feels like a prison. Trust me, I have tried it. It's not easy, especially if you're an introvert like myself. But what if I told you that the most profitable brands in 2026 are the ones where the value is the star, not the face? Not everybody needs to show their face to make money these days. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint to that $1,000 a month or at least 5-figure in Naira mark while staying completely behind the scenes. Your face doesn't have to be seen, okay? So no gatekeeping, no guru talk. I'm just going to tell you the honest truth. Now, before we drop the first step, do me a quick favor. If you have ever deleted a video simply because you hated how you look, hit that like button. And of course, make sure you subscribe because it lets me know I'm talking to the people I want to talk to, my people. Now, let's go build that empire, okay? Now, first, we need to stop thinking about lifestyle and start thinking about solutions. If you aren't showing your face, people need to fall in love with your results, right? Now, remember, we're talking about how to build a faceless channel and make money, especially as an introvert. Now, are you teaching people how to cook? You have to use top-down shots of the food. Like, people want to see what you're doing, right? Are you a digital marketer? You can use screen recordings. The secret to that 1 million Naira or $1,000 a month brand is picking one specific problem and solving it so well that people forget they've never seen your nose. Like, they don't have to see your face. Now, since they can't see you, they need to actually feel your brand. This is where you pick your vibe, okay? Are you the soft life brand with cream colors and slow music, or the hustle brand with bold fonts and fast cuts? Now, this is where you can use high quality stock footage. Sites like Pexels or Canva are your best friends here, okay? You don't need a camera. You just need a mood board. Now, for step 3, how do you communicate? You have to find a fantastic way to communicate with your audience in such a way that you're clear and you're passing the message the right way. Now, you have 2 choices. You can use your voice. Even if you're shy, a voiceover feels so much safer than a video. Or you use on-screen text. Now, if you're worried about your accents, please don't be, okay? Whether you're sounding like a born and bred Onitsha babe or you have a thick UK accent, that's your flavor. That's what makes you unique. Authenticity sells better than a fake American accent anyway. So, I mean, just be you. Trust me. Now, to the step everybody is interested in, monetization, let's do the math. Now, because $1,000, which is roughly 1.6 million Naira, if I'm correct, sounds very big until you break it down. Now, you don't need 1 million followers. Honestly, you don't need 1 million followers to succeed on a faceless channel. You would think you need 5,000 followers. No, what you need is an ebook of $10 sold to like 100 people or a $50 service sold to 20 clients. Now, multiply that and see how much you're making at the end of the day. The third option will be affiliate marketing. Now, even if you don't have your own personal products, your own digital products, affiliate links where you can recommend tools you already use are a good way to earn money. The Faceless brand makes this easier because you are not selling you. You're not selling yourself. You don't even have personal products to sell. You're selling a system that works while you sleep. People just want results. Your face is not the in thing, right? And no, I'm not going to lie to you and tell you it's easy as ABC. I know it feels scary to start. You're wondering right now, will anyone care to listen to me? Will they listen if they can't see me? The answer is yes. A capital YES, alright? They will listen because you're solving their problems. You don't need to be loud to be impactful. You just need to be consistent. Be in their faces all the time and they will not be able to ignore you. So if this video gave you a bit of hope today, make sure you subscribe to your Brands Connect family. We are so excited to have you. I've also put a Faceless starter kit link in the description to help you take that first step. So make sure you go out there, build your empire in silence. Maybe not silence, but not being loud. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.